Does anyone else have something to say in terms of global trends they're seeing, or something they're seeing in terms of?
Sure, I'll add. On a much more basic level, it's the chasing of labor rates. As the emerging markets continue to have growing middle class, labor rates continue to go up. So we find, as manufacturers, we're continuing to battle that as a cost factor and the impact of that on your supply chain. So how do you, and customers who want it quicker, faster, cheaper, and costs continue to rise, right? So labor rates have gone up significantly. So as we look to manufacture potentially in other countries where labor rates are still a little lower than in some countries, I predominantly am importing from China. So heavily impacted by labor rates, but now also the tariffs and how we evaluate the supply chain. The challenge is some of these other countries don't have the infrastructure to support these manufacturing transitions, if you will, and the impact of that. So that global trend of rising labor rates and then moving from one country to another to chase the cheaper, faster product is also something at a more basic level that we're all facing in the industries.